Why, hello. This is Hans the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something I think everybody will enjoy. This is Ramen Express by Chef Wu, with their hotter and spicier ramen in a pillow pack. Yes. So, let's see, it's 10 after. Oh boy, I need to hurry. Stop running around like a crazy. She runs around like a crazy. One sachet. Vegetarian. I am impressed with vegetarianism. Well, we all know it's vegetarianism, but still, ladies and gentlemen, I have found this stuff to be pretty darn good. Actually, I don't know about this one. I'll be honest. I don't know about this. I haven't tried this one. But the, what is it? Their cups are pretty good. And I tried their Chef Wu cup, and that one has 20 grams of protein. It's all vegetarian. It's good. I'm impressed. So you know. Did I start the timer? No. It's time for another timely quote from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks, Quotations from the Man Who Invented Instant Noodles. Today we've got number 88, climbing up. The term enterprise is synonymous with creation. An enterprise loses the reason for existence if it does not have the power to offer new things to the world. Which kind of like makes sense with the Starship Enterprise, new life, new civilizations, new planets. Starship Enterprise. Hey Miles, you like Mr. Spock, right? He's really into Star Trek lately. He's also into Twisted Sister. He also likes. He was like out of nowhere. I heard him humming something. I was like, he's like humming Panama. He's humming Van Halen now, which I thought was just sensational. I mean, that's good, right? Who doesn't want their kids singing Panama? I'm pretty happy with it. So this is their hotter, spicier one. In a pillow pack, not steeped. So this will be my first time trying their noodles in a non-steeping format. Sounds good. So it's day before Thanksgiving, and all through the house there's a lot of food in the fridge, and it's good. Not gonna go traveling. A friend of mine's gonna come and hang out, but we're not going like having a big family gathering. Just one person's gonna come over, and he doesn't do anything. Doesn't go out and stuff, and he always wears his mask and this and that. It's still a risk, sure, but he doesn't have any family. Well, actually, he does have family around, but I don't know. Anyways, so he's gonna come over. We're gonna throw back some Bombay Mules, which is gin, lime juice, and ginger beer. Let's see how much time's left. We get, what is it? Naked Tree? Is that it? Fainting Couch? I can't remember. But apparently there's these mugs that look like the big pots that have like chicken soup at the grocery store when you can buy it in a bulk section. They have these big mugs called mules, and that's what you're supposed to drink it out of. Because there's also a drink called the Moscow Mule. I don't know that one. Yeah, Bombay Sapphire gin, lime, and what do you call it? Ginger beer. It's refreshing. It's delicious. He was like, the other thing, so he's bringing the booze, and I had to bring everything else. But the other thing is like, and just like a small amount of ice. I'm like, oh, people are always saying, where's the ice? Well, we don't have an ice machine. We don't have an ice maker. We don't have an ice cube tray. So I went and invested in one. Just for this special occasion. On Amazon, there's Star Trek like, the Ramen Raider to Enterprise, beam me up. You know, that thing? Yeah, there are a bunch of little Star Trek logos. You can make 6 of them. Silicone. That's what I'll do. I ordered it today. It's supposed to arrive by tomorrow, by 8 a.m. on Thanksgiving freaking Day. So it'll be here, and then I'll immediately rinse it out, and then I will make the ice, throw those pieces of ice into a bag, and then make more ice. And I think that's about it. I think I got the recipe. You put it in the freezer or something. Ooh. Welly, well. Look what happened. Here's the broth. Wow, there's like a lot of cayenne pepper in that. Like straight cayenne pepper. I like this. I'm like... I thought the cups were alright, but the packs... Now I want to try more of the packs. And they sent me a few of them, so... Wow, that's interesting. That's like... I gotta say, I like that so much better than the cup version. That's kind of always been my MO. I've always gone for the cups or the packs over the cups. People are like, but there's more in the cups. It's like, maybe so, but I really like cups or packs over cups. And I think the reason I like it more is because it cooked on the stove. I think the way the noodles come out that way is much better. Anyways, this stuff is vegan, but you know me. Another one of these absolutely glorious eggs prepared by my wife. Whoa. Alright, a napkin. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have a napkin and I'm not afraid to use it. Let's get these eggs better situated. Eggs. Just up a little bit. I don't want to have all that shadowing. That's kind of like the hard thing with these eggs. And I've got some weird stuff. I'll call it weird. Not really. Why am I calling it weird? It's just Thai basil. Got some Thai basil there. And I've got some chicken that I made with hot sauce. I just basically put it in a pan and poured a bunch of hot sauce on it and baked it. 38 minutes at 375 degrees. That's my go-to. I've got more Thai basil, don't I? You know, I think I'm gonna call it right about like that or so. I'm gonna use a little bit. Some pepper flake. wee bit of sesame seed. Remember when I bought this jar of sesame seeds, it's like, oh god, there's no way I'm ever gonna go through all this. Well, it's on the waning edge of the stick as far as my jar of sesame seeds go. Yeah, it's getting down there. Anyways, I have a phone call to make, so I better get this wrapped up. Thanks to the folks over at Palmetto Foods for shooting this over. I'm like really excited about this now. I liked their stuff before, but this is like, I'm really, really stoked. I really like this style of noodle. Let's rotate it up. We got it. We got the. There we go. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to hurry. Here we go. I'm taking the day off tomorrow. It's freaking Thanksgiving, so thank you for watching. It's been Hans the Ramen Rainer wishing you enjoyment of noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.